So now let's see how we can manage out the saved passwords inside of Google Chrome. So on the top right hand side, you can see the three dot icon right here. You should click on it and then go to settings. So once you do that, on the password section, if I were to click on it, then this is what you have. You have the saved password list right here, and then you got the password stored in, as you can see, for canva.com. And you only see canva.com right here because that is the only web page I saved in the password for in my case. But you might see other websites if you have stored in password for other websites. So if I were to go over here on this icon right here and click on it, it'll ask you for your computer administrator password so that you can see the password as well. You can go over here, so you have an option to copy the password or edit the password. Again, if you were to choose that option, then it'll ask you for your administrator password first. So what you can do is you can remove this out. For removing, you do not need to enter the administrator password. It simply removes it out, and you got a bit of time to undo it out, but in my case, I'm too late. But if you were to go around over here, and then let's say, for example, if I were to go to canva.com just like this, and then if I were to go around into and sign out, let me just sign out because I'm already signed in. You can see that I removed the password already, so I do not see the password anymore. So let me just go ahead and then enter the password, and it asks me for the saved password again. So if I were to click on never, then it goes on to the never saved section in the settings. So now if you were to go around into canva.com, and no matter how many times you enter the password, it won't actually save out the password. So it comes in the never saved option, which you can remove. And now what happens is that I can go back onto canva.com and it'll prompt me to save the password again. So here are different options that you can enable as well. So you can offer to save the password, you can enable and disable this. That is, if you were to go to any website, it'll ask you whether you want to save the password or not. If you were to disable this, then it won't ask you anymore. You can also go around into auto sign in, and then what this does is it'll automatically add in the password and sign in as long as it can. You can also go around and check the passwords right here to make sure that it is safe from data breaches. And if you want to view and manage your password in your Google account, you can click on this and it'll take you to the page that is on your password manager page website of your Google account. So whenever you're saving a password in Google Chrome, it is not just saving it onto your system, but it is actually saving it onto your Google account. And so if you use multiple devices, then the password will sync up together as well. And that is how you can manage out the saved passwords from within Google Chrome. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.